I'm gonna stop over here at the Walmart. I don't see too many trucks parked over there right now. I think it'd be a good time to swing on by. All right, this guy just leaving. This guy in the 18-wheeler is just leaving Walmart. So hopefully there's gonna be a truck parking spot over there for me. Just opened up. I like it when a plan comes together. When things just fall right into place. Make this little U-turn over here. We're gonna park in front of these two trucks because why? Because we are in the front row. That's why. Look at me. Look at me. Look at you. Look at you looking at me. I'm in the front row. Now, I need to keep pulling forward, keep pulling forward, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, that looks pretty good right there. Now back it straight on back. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice and close to the curb so that people don't complain about, oh, the truck's taking up all this tree. We can't do this, we can't do that. We can't get our little Mini Cooper. We can't make the turn in our little Mini Cooper because the semi trucks are taking up all the street. We need to call the police. Yeah. This is what we're doing right here. This is what we're doing. We're making it happen. When will sock makers finally start making socks the right way? Why the hell do they place the seam inside the sock, which rubs against your skin? They need to put the seam on the outside of the sock, not on the inside. Hanes, if you're listening, get your shit together. Look at the palm trees blowing in the wind. And look at this douchebag just cut me off and get in front of me like he's in such a hurry to get to the light before me. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, this wind is pushing us all over the place. This wind is no joke. Okay, my heart is beating. Did you feel that? My heart is beating 1,000 beats a second. I can't keep this truck on the road. And the guys that pass me, you gotta be careful with these guys because the wind can push them right onto me. Okay? I'm not trying to scare no one, but you can't do this. Okay? I'm a professional truck driver, so I'm okay to do this. But I don't want you trying this at home. I don't want you guys trying this at home, okay? Look at this wind. This wind is pushing me around all over the place. Look at the tree or the bushes or whatever. It's crazy out here, people. I feel like I need to wear like a helmet. Like a football helmet or something to keep me safe just in case this truck topples over. Okay? I'm not trying to make light of the situation, kung fu grip on the steering wheel. It's very dangerous out here right now. Look at that trailer in front of me, how it's going from side to side, it's getting pushed around. That truck I just passed, he was pulled over. Oh man, I wish I could show that. That garage door he's got in the back of his truck, I'm looking at it from his rear view mirror. He's getting off the road. Hey, it's dangerous out here, folks. It's dangerous. Don't let your kids grow up to be truck drivers. This wind is no joke. I will not be surprised if I see a truck up ahead toppled over. Okay, it's so windy out here that they stopped the windmills. Look at the windmills over here on this side. What? Why aren't the windmills turning right now? Like, isn't this like the best time to have the windmills turning? Is like when it's a windy day. One of you New Green Deal people, one of you environmentalists, please get a hold of me and explain to me why all these windmills, hundreds and thousands of windmills, are not spinning right now on probably the windiest day of the year. Like, what the hell is that all about? Anyway, look at those windmills over there. They're on the ground. They fell off. Yeah, so much for the New Green Deal. Look at those trees. I got a death grip on the steering wheel. I got a kung fu grip. I'm getting blisters. I'm getting blisters on my hand because I got such a tight grip on the steering wheel. Whoa! Whoa! Did you feel that? I'm getting blown all over the place. Okay, you guys, I'll be back. Look at those windmills. They only got 2 propellers. One of the propellers fell off all those windmills. You see that? Those don't have 2. They're supposed to have 3. I don't know what that's all about. I don't know. Okay. Oh my God, this wind is crazy. All right, I'll be back. So now we're just gonna stop over here, grab us a cup of coffee. There's a truck stop nearby. I don't deliver till tomorrow. It's Sunday today, so I'm gonna park this big ass truck. Make myself something to eat. Then go on a hike. Go get some steps in. That's the plan. Yeah, buddy. Bada bing, bada boom. I deliver tomorrow morning about 2 or 3 miles to the east from here. So we have all of today to us to do whatever we want. I could take an Uber somewhere if I really wanted to, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Look at all the pretty trucks for sale. It's pretty amazing how calm it is here on Sundays. Tomorrow there's going to be trucks all over the place over here. Today, everyone's just parked, relaxed, kicking back. Probably got a little lot lizard in their cab there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Everyone's just kicking back. Good luck finding a parking spot in this joint. I guess there's a couple. There's a couple of parking spots, but I don't like to park in the truck stops because it's so crowded and it's all the trucks are on top of one another, and the likelihood that someone's gonna back into your truck and, you know, cause some damages, the chances of that happening are pretty good. So I don't like to park at a truck stop. I like to go find my little, I'll show you guys where I'm gonna go park in a little bit. Right now I'm gonna do my windows. Wash my windows, grab me a cup of coffee, and I'll be right back. Truck. Good thing I'm looking out for him. Make sure he gets. Let him get by. You know, when you're doing that, when you're like crossing the front of a truck like that, I mean, the least you could do is look up and make sure that the truck driver's paying attention to you, you know? I mean, it's my responsibility to make sure the front of my truck's clear, but dude, at least look up and make sure that the truck driver is paying attention, you know? I don't know. Some people's children. So yeah, I'm not gonna park here. This is crazy. I don't need to be here. I got everything I need in my truck. You know what I mean? Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Let me get by this guy. This guy's hogging up the entire lane over here. But that's okay, because I'm a professional truck driver. I can figure things out. He wants to take up the whole lane. I got no problem with that. I just squeeze on by. See how I do that? No, I don't recommend that you guys try that at home, okay? Because, again, I'm a professional truck driver. I can do those things. You know what I mean? All right, so we're gonna go down this way and zigzag over here, maybe hang a left and a right and a left and another right. Then Papa Yui. And bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna find me a spot to park. nice quiet spot, away from all the traffic. Away from all the big trucks. Nice and relaxed.
While me do my two-step.
So I walked into Walmart to buy some lunch meat, some beverages, maybe some trail mix, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, don't judge me. I came out with this. Look at all those lights. I can't wait to see what it looks like at night when I'm driving this big ass truck. Anyway, that's not where it's gonna stay. I'm gonna place it somewhere where I can get some surround sound coming out of this biatch. But look at me. Look at you looking at me. And by the way, it's pretty big. That's the size of my hand. Well, that's my hand. And that's the speaker. Just so that you get a little idea of how big this thing is. And it's got a pull-out. It's got wheels. It's got wheels, and it's got a pull-out luggage handle chingadera thing. You know, like a pull-out. One of these things, pull up, pull down, so you can wheel it around. And that's the box it came in. Groove on. It wasn't very expensive. I don't expect it to last very long. If I get a year out of this thing, I'll be happy. It looks cool. It makes me happy. And that's gonna cause me to be a happy trucker. A happy trucker is a trucker that's gonna be on time. All right? What do you think? Let me set it back down. I know it's probably a bit much, but it is what it is. It makes me happy. Bye-bye.